Hi, welcome to Eclectic Self Protection, Self-Defense Systems UK. In this video we were going to be talking a little bit more about self-defense in the UK law and the use of reasonable force and what this actually means. So firstly, when can you use reasonable force? A person may use force that is deemed reasonable in the circumstances for the purpose of 1. Self-defense, 2. Defense of another person, 3. Defense of property, 4. Prevention of crime, and 5. The lawful arrest. You should be aware that there is no easy definition to the use of reasonable force, as it is a matter decided on an individual case. In assessing the reasonableness of force used, there are two main questions which prosecutors ask. Question 1, was the force necessary in the circumstances? In other words, was there any need for force at all? Question 2, was the force reasonable in the circumstances? In other words, was the force justifiable in relation to the threat? If we misinterpret these two questions that prosecutors ask, or these 2 points to the law, it could mean a difference between going to prison and not going to prison. So more specifically, if you do just enough to get yourself out of a confrontation and back to safety, you have acted within the UK self-defense laws. However, if you overreact to a confrontation and your level of force becomes disproportionate to the level of threat, in other words, you keep on striking someone when you're no longer in danger, you could go to prison. So when employing self-defense measures, always ensure the force is deemed reasonable and proportionate to the level of threat to get yourself out of that situation and back to safety. For more information on self-defense in the UK law, you can view our other video on our YouTube channel. In addition to this, you can also visit our website, eclecticselfprotection.com, for more supported information and resources. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and post your comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.